Welcome to the Quicken Classic tutorial, designed to help you manage your finances efficiently. Quicken Classic is a personal finance software that allows you to track your income, expenses, and investments in one place. To get started, download and install Quicken Classic on your computer. Once installed, launch the application and create a new data file. This will be the central location where all your financial information is stored. The first step is to set up your accounts, which can include checking, savings, credit card, and investment accounts. You can manually enter your account information or import it directly from your bank or financial institution. Next, you will need to categorize your transactions, which helps you track where your money is going. Quicken Classic provides predefined categories, such as housing, transportation, and food, but you can also create custom categories that suit your needs. Now, let's talk about budgeting. Quicken Classic allows you to create a budget based on your income and expenses. You can set financial goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or paying off debt, and track your progress. Another important feature of Quicken Classic is investment tracking. You can monitor your investment portfolio, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, and receive alerts when changes occur in the market. To make the most of Quicken Classic, it is essential to regularly update your accounts and transactions. You can do this manually or set up automatic updates to ensure your information is always current. Best practices for using Quicken Classic include regularly reviewing your budget and making adjustments as needed, using the software to track your credit score and report, and taking advantage of the bill tracking feature to stay on top of your expenses. By following these steps and using Quicken Classic effectively, you can gain control of your finances, make informed decisions, and achieve your long-term financial goals. Remember to always keep your data file backed up and secure to ensure your financial information is protected.